Mm, Hi dear students, now we are discussing some problems related to surface integral. So evaluate integral over S f bar dot n bar ds, where f bar is the force vector 18 z I bar minus 12 j bar plus 3y k bar, and S is the part of the surface of the plane 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal 12 located in the first octane. So here the let the surface is given is 2x plus 3y plus 6z minus 12. Now we have to find the normal to the plane. Normal to the plane is del phi. So what is del phi means? I bar dou phi by dou x, j bar dou phi by dou y, k bar dou phi by dou z. So phi is given. Now we have to differentiate partially with respect to x first. Differentiate partially with respect to x, we get dou phi by dou x. So since we are differentiating with respect to x, y and z are constants, constant derivatives are 0. So dou phi by dou x is 2. Next, differentiate phi with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y means keep x and z are constants. Dou phi by dou y is 3, since derivative of 2x and 6z are 0. Next, differentiate phi with respect to z. Since we are differentiating with respect to z, keep x and y are constants. So dou phi by dou z is 6. So because z coefficient is 6. So del phi, that is normal to the plane, is 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar. So then unit normal. Now we have to find unit normal to the plane. Unit normal is n bar is del phi by modulus del phi. So del phi is normal to the plane is 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar. So modulus del phi, modulus 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar means that square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, that gives 49. So simplifying, we get 2i bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar divided by 7. So now have to take the projection of the plane, projection in xy plane. Let D be the projection of S on the xy plane. So since we are taking the projection in xy plane, why are taking in xy plane means they have given first octane. So integral over S f bar dot n bar ds is double integral D f bar dot n bar dx dy divided by modulus n bar dot k bar. So now we have to find f bar dot n bar. F bar is the given vector 18 z I bar minus 12 j bar plus 3y k bar dot n bar. N bar is unit normal vector, that is 2a bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar divided by 7. So now we have to find dot product of these two vectors. So I bar dot I bar 1, I bar dot j bar 0, I bar dot k bar 0. Similarly j bar dot j bar 1, k bar dot k bar 1. So using dot product, we get 18z into 2, that gives 36z, minus 12 into 3, that is minus 36, plus 3y into 6, that is 18y. So if we take 6 common from numerator, we get 6z minus 6 plus 3y divided by 7. So therefore n bar dot k bar, now we have to find n bar dot k bar. We need n bar dot k bar in denominator. N bar is unit normal vector. So 2a bar plus 3j bar plus 6k bar divided by 7. So n bar dot k bar is the vector. So you know k bar dot k bar 1, so that gives 6 by 7. So given surface is 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus 6z minus 12 are equal to 12. Since the projection is in xy plane, that is first octane mean xy plane, we have xy plane, we have z is equal to 0. So given surface reduced to 2x plus 3y equal to 12, from this y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. So if y 0, what happened? If y 0, then 12 minus 2x divided by 3 equals 0, that is 12 equal to 2x, that means x is equal to 6. So here x varies from 0 to 6, x varies from 0 to 6, and y varies from 0 to, if y 0, y varies from 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3. These are the limits, so in xy plane. So integral over S f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral D f bar dot n bar dx divided by n bar dot k bar. Now we have to give the limits for x and y. Here x varies from 0 to 6 and y varies from 0 to 12 minus 2x by 6. Here f bar dot n bar, this is the f bar dot n bar we have highlighted already. So dx divided by n bar dot k bar is 6 by 7. This 6 by 7 will get cancelled. Therefore, so now we have to simplify this integral. 6z, what is 6z from the given data? 6z is 12 minus 2x minus 3y minus 6 plus 3y. This 3y will get cancelled, so which gives just 6 minus 2y 2x, sorry, 6 minus 12 minus 6 is 6, and we have minus 2x here. So now we have to integrate with respect to y first, keeping x constant. Integrating with respect to y, 6 integration 6y, 2x integration 2xy. Now substitute y limits here. Put y 0 lower limit, upper limit 12 minus 2x. Substituting, so we get 12 minus 2x by 3 minus 2x into 12 minus 2x by 3. Now we have to simplify this and integrate with respect to x. Simplify and integrate with respect to x. So we get 24. Next we will discuss another problem. So evaluate integral over s f bar dot n bar ds, where f bar is z I bar plus x I bar minus 3y square z k bar, and s is the surface x square plus y square equal 16, included in the first octant between z is equal to 0 to 5. This is the cylinder surface. So here we are going to evaluate the integral from z is equal to 0. This is z is equal to 0 to z is equal to 5. Z is equal to 5. Let the surface S is curved surface. This is the curved surface. So curved surface is A, B, C, E, A. This is curved surface. So in remaining all planes, the integral is 0. So this is O, B, C, E. We have another one C, E, D, O, A, like this. So in all other integrals, the integral value is 0. So now we are going to evaluate only in the curved surface. The curved surface is here A, B, C, E, A. Let the plane is surface is phi is equal to x square plus y square minus 16. This is cylinder. So now differentiate with respect to x. Dou phi by dou x is 2x. Dou phi by dou y is 2y. Differentiate partially with respect to x and y. So now we have to find normal to the surface S. Normal to the surface is grad phi. Grad phi means del phi, that is I bar dou phi by dou x, A bar dou phi by dou y, K bar dou phi by dou z. So therefore del phi gives 2x I bar plus 2y j bar. Now similarly we have to find the unit normal vector. What is unit normal vector? N bar is equal to del phi by modulus del phi. Therefore n bar is equal to 2x I bar plus 2y j bar. Modulus 2x I bar plus 2y j bar. 2x I bar plus 2y j bar divided by square root of, so modulus 2x I bar plus 2y j bar means 4x square plus 4y square. If you take 2 common from numerator, x I bar plus y j bar. If you take 2 from 4 from denominator, square root of 4 is 2, 2 square root of x square plus y square. X square plus y square is 16, square root of 16 is 4. So which gives x square plus y square is 16. Okay, square root of 16 is 4. 2 will get cancelled. So n bar is x I bar plus y j bar divided by 4. Now we have to take the projection of S in yz plane. Then R is rectangle. Then R is rectangle OBCD. OBCD. This is OBCD. So why? Because we are taking the projection of this curved surface in the OBCD plane. This is in yz plane. This is yz plane. Therefore, let R be the projection of S on yz plane. Therefore, R is the rectangle OBC. Therefore, double integral S f bar dot n bar ds is f bar dot n bar dy dz. Why? Because dy dz means since we are taking the projection in yz plane, which gives dy dz divided by modulus n bar dot I bar. So f bar is given. So this is given vector. Now we have to find f bar dot n bar. F bar dot n bar. N bar is x I bar plus y j bar divided by 4. Now find the dot product of these two vectors. Since I bar dot I bar 1, j bar dot j bar 1, zx plus xy gives zx plus xy divided by 4. And n bar dot I bar, n bar dot, this is n bar dot I bar. So I bar dot I bar 1, so which gives x by 4. So in yz plane we have x equal to 0. Yz plane x equal to 0. So the surface is x square plus y square is 16, which implies y square equal to 16, y is equal to 4. Hence in the first octant y varies from 0 to 4. Y varies from 0 to 4 and x varies from, z varies from 0 to 4. Already the given z limits, z varies from 0 to 4. Now we are getting the y limits only. Y is varying from 0 to 4. So since we are taking the projection yz plane, so now we substitute y limits. Y equal to 0 to 4 and z is equal to 0 to 5. F bar dot n bar. F bar dot n bar is xz plus xy. Xz plus xy divided by 4. Dy dz divided by x by 4. Now this x by 4 will get cancelled. If you take x common, x by 4 will get cancelled, which remains z plus y dy dz. Now both the limits are constant here. Since y limits and z limits are constant, now we integrate with respect to y or z first, but while you are integrating with respect to z, we have to keep y constant first. So now integrate with respect to z first, keeping y constant. Z integration is z square by 2, y integration is yz. Substitute upper limit 5 and lower limit 0, that is 25 by 2 and 5y. So this is simple integrand. Now again integrate with respect to y. So 25 by 4 is constant, so integral 1 dy is y, and 5 is constant, y integration is y square by 2. Now substitute upper and lower limit. Upper limit is 4 and lower limit is 0. So 25 by 4 into 4, 25 by 2 into 4, 5 into 2, 4 square is 16 by 2. So simplifying, we get 90. So these are the some problems we can work out here.